Morning friends, Drew here in beautiful 𝗗𝘁'𝘀, Pennsylvania. You may remember this wall that we were working on repairing the stucco and the shingle step flashing on. Well, I wanted to bring you the inside repairs as well. So the outside's done, it's happy, there's been no more leaks. So let's go inside and look at the drywall work that we're doing to put that part back together. So this is the kitchen space. Of course, we've got everything plasticed off and our zip wall curtain here, plastic sheeting to keep us separated from the rest of the house, so any dust that we make stays in this area. And then we're going to take and let's overlay some pictures here of some of what the befores look like up against this wall here, and you'll see where the water had just come down through the ceiling, coming down from that leak that was up above and got down on top of the drywall and really messed a whole lot of stuff up here from really one side all the way across to the other. And so our crew came in here yesterday, and we had 4 guys in here working on this, cut the ceiling out, had to move the fridge. This was all kinds of fun. The refrigerator cabinetry system was sort of built in, and with the height that's there, it'd be really difficult to try to work over top of that. So Norm came in and helped us get that separated and apart and move this over out of the way so the guys could work. And so we went through and patched all the places where we had any water damage from the drywall and got these pieces put in. And then they also had some work to do back here, one of the bedrooms. I think this room got almost as much of the brunt of it as the kitchen did. We had several pieces of drywall in that corner had to get taken out. The tape seam pretty much all the way across, down, over, and then of course this side as well. So we're working on getting that out and apart and back together, and they've already got first coat of mud on all of this. So life is going beautiful over here. So this is kind of step one: get the drywall out, get the new stuff back in. Of course, we've got the whole room plastic off and drop cloths down and all those kind of things, because what we really want to do is when we're doing drywall work for you, we really want to make sure that any of the dust that's made stays contained in the workspace, and that when we're finished, it would almost be like we were never there, that you couldn't tell that there wouldn't be any residual. So you can see our zip wall curtain we've got set up on that side of things. And this is something standard we pretty much do in all of our drywall repair jobs, is we try to make sure that we've got it set up such that when we're finished, you don't have any work that you've got to do to clean up behind us. Pretty far along here, we've got the second, third coats of mud going up on the ceiling, feathering everything in, and we're getting close to being ready for a final sand and some primer here in the kitchen. So that's coming along nice, and getting all that put back together. Once we get the continuous ceiling painted end to end and the walls touched up, because of course we had to go corner to corner with the drywall patch, which means we've got mud on the walls all the way around here. So we're gonna have to repaint the continuous wall corner to corner to get them back to where they were before they had the water damage. So we're working on that piece here. We had to move the fridge and the fridge cabinet. That actually was over here where Michael's standing now. So we took that apart, got that off to the side where it needs to be so we could work, get the drywall replaced over top, and then we'll put that back and remount it when we're done. And then we've also got the bedroom back here, which is also looking awesome. So patches are in, drywall tape that was out has been repaired, put back in, new tape put down where it needs to be, and Michael's continuing to mud and spackle and add joint compound and get all this where it needs to be so that we're ready for primer and paint in here. So when we're finished, it'll look like it did before they had the water. I want you to see what we did with the plastic as far as draping all the kitchen cabinets, all the countertops. When we're done at the end of the day, we can take all that down. They can come in here, they can cook dinner, do everything that they would otherwise need to do without worrying about any of the dust or any of the debris from the construction being over their stuff. So we try to do a real nice job with the plastic, with the dust control measures, to make sure that everything gets contained and that the workspace stays clean. That when we're finished, when we left at the end of the day, it's almost like we were never here. And especially when the job is completely finished, we'll go through the shop vac and clean everything up with a filter bag in it and make it nice. So here we are. Michael's been working on this pretty much all week long. He's had some help from German, and we actually had 4 of us in here on first day of the week, kind of getting all the drywall repaired, replaced. So here we are. You can't see the difference of where it was and where it's not. New drywall in, prime, 2 coats of paint over that, 1 coat of paint over the entire continuous ceiling, one end to the other. We repainted this end wall here. We repainted this whole wall here to the corner of the cabinets. The guys have the cabinet back together here, the refrigerator back in place, everything moved back where it needs to be. And the family is able to come back in here and enjoy their kitchen again and not be reminded every time they come in of the leak that was going on upstairs. Now that we got the drywall fixed, we'll walk back into the 1 bedroom here that was impacted by this. They didn't have any problems here in kind of the sunroom space. There was no damage here. but the bedroom had some significant issues that had taken place. And we've got all the furniture back and everything back where it needs to be. But if you remember, we had that corner completely ripped out and replaced. We had some drywall replacement over here, as well as some tape seams that had to get done. All of this trim work I had to come off and go back on. So we got all this kind of taken care of, and then repaint all these walls. And 2 coats over all the new fresh drywall, and 1 coat over everything else, so that it all comes together and looks pretty uniform. So just a gorgeous, I love these colors that they have for in here. And they gave us the numbers off the cans, and we were able to get fresh cans made up. And so we're pretty close, but just that fresh coat just really absolutely makes it in here. So this is back together. They can enjoy this room again. They can enjoy their kitchen again. And this problem is solved. So if we can help you solve a problem, roofing, windows, siding, doors, anything on the exterior of your house, build you a deck, new custom dream home, additions, garages, remodeling your kitchen space, your bathroom space, finishing off your basement, all those interior drywall, plumbing, electrical repairs, give our team a call weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation Extension 2 for new projects. Cope Built is your full-service construction and renovation company, your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. Remember, when we're finished with it, you'll be proud to say it's not just done, it was Cope Built. We'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.